In this video I want to show you how to hide products from the Shopify search. I would highly recommend you this app, Sitemap No Index Pro. I have no affiliation with this company, but I would highly recommend it to you because it's one of the best and it's very cheap. It only costs $3.49 per month, and let's see what you can do with it. So if you download the app, you can choose to remove products, collections, pages and articles from the sitemap. And this is how it looks like. If you want to remove products, just click here on view. Then you can choose your product you want to use. You then click on this little icon, pencil icon. And now you can have this different options. You can turn off all options. Item will be indexable by search engines. That's the normal process. Your products are indexable by the search engines and also can be found in Google. Then you can remove from sitemap. Then you can completely hide your product from search engines, internal store search, and this is what you want. If you click this option, remove from sitemap, your product will be hide from Shopify search. Also, you can use no index, no follow, no index, or no follow. You can see the different options with the description here below. And yeah, if this video has helped you, I would appreciate a like and a channel subscription. Your support really means a lot to me, and see you in the next video.